Yo, what up friends? We are out here at the Circular Quay here in Sydney to test out the new Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7. So if you're wondering how good the cameras are on this phone, let's go test it out. Friends, we're out here at the Circular Quay here in Sydney to test out the new Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7, which we're filming on at this very moment. Got this phone about a week now. Previously had the 1 Mark 2 and just thought of upgrading it to the 1 Mark 7 after 5 years. So if you're wondering how good the cameras are on this phone, let's just go check it out all together. Let's test it and let me know what you think. We're just going to do full auto mode settings on this video, by the way. We'll probably just make another video with using the pro mode. This is just the setup, by the way. So I just have a tiny tripod at the moment. No gimbals, no stabilizers, but I did connect the DJI Mic Mini, which is, yes, working at the moment. So yeah, this is just my setup. We're done here at Circular Quay. It's almost 5 p.m. I'll just go meet Sari. She left me earlier. So let's go take the tram. here with Sari. We're just hanging out here at the Lucci. So if you're wondering how this sounds like without an external mic, this is how it sounds like. Alright, it's already 6 o'clock in the evening. We're just testing how good the cameras are during low light situations. It's VII season here in Sydney. This will last for 3 weeks. I think there's just 2 more weeks left. So we're just gonna check out all the light installations that are here. It's a good chance as well for us to test out the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7's camera during low light situations like these. We just had our dinner. While we were eating, I just flicked through all of the videos and photos that I took on this Mark 7. So I just noticed on the ultra wide that it did struggle a bit during low light situations, like it struggled to focus. So I'm using the main camera now. Hopefully it does better than the ultra wide.
Bridge Street, followed by Circular Quay.
Okay, can we get a Royal Copenhagen? Royal Copenhagen, please. Yeah. Code, please. Thanks. Alright, that's it for us trying out the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7. So let me know what you think. For me, it's definitely a big upgrade from the 1 Mark 2. So the main camera is still the number one here. Second is the ultra wide one, and the third best one is the telephoto. And for those who are here in Australia, if you're wondering if the 1 Mark 7 works here, yes, it works on Telstra and Vodafone. I'm not sure if it does work on other telcos as well, so you might check that out. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed this video and hopefully enjoy the Vivid as well that we covered. See you in the next one. Peace.